Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Roy back again. We're going to call this one a quick acceleration NASCAR version of a oscillator. And what we're going to do here is keep an eye on this compass. Keep an eye on this 4.5 watt LED. That 4.5 watt LED is coming off of this coil. This coil is wound to have the opposite pole naturally show up on the opposite end of what this pole is. This is north facing out, okay? And when the south will appear here, north will appear here. We're extending the dipole. Coming off of this, we'll go in here, and we're going to adjust all this, and you're going to see the speed control that comes out on the you'll hear it, and then you'll see this gauge here will act like an RPM gauge in a sense. It's fire in a hole coming off a 12-volt battery. Here's your oscillator. Go ahead and put this coil on. You'll see the LED light up. LED is lighting up. You're getting your induction coming through that coil. Now we're going to go ahead and introduce the magnetic field. Now start to watch the wires all become magnetized. You can see right here we have LED just firing off of one of these wires. And now keep an eye on that compass and listen to the speed. Ready? Alright, so magnetized. Let me switch hands here. Pull the coil off. See the light go back on? This is pretty neat setup here. Let's get back over here. So I feel this vibrating out here. You can see the wires starting to move. The wheel starts to move. Let's put that wheel in motion. The field lines here are coming out, and now we're extending the dipole here. There's a collapse in between here and here. It creates a dielectric. The dielectric is trapped in between these two dipoles. So out here it becomes the opposite pole of what this side is. And this side becomes the south pole because this side's the north pole. This field comes out, turns back into here in the collapsed dielectric area, then comes out and bubbles around. Let's go ahead. These are all north facing out. Let's go ahead and get them going, and that'll want to stay hovering at pretty good speed. Listen to the machine. Alright, we're gonna get them out of the way. It'll need to be in place. Wow, look at that moving. Listen to the RPMs. Look at the gauge. Look at the compass. So I could turn it to come towards the west, or I could turn it and start. It's sort of like an advanced timing. RPMs go up, oscillation faster. Leave your comments.